Ever wondered what it feels like to have your investments working as hard as you do? To build a portfolio that not only grows your wealth, but also aligns with your values? Welcome to the world of Raiz Classified. Now, you might be thinking, Raiz? Isn't that just for micro-investing? For spare change? And you'd be partially right. Raiz started as a revolutionary way to invest effortlessly, rounding up your purchases and investing the difference. But Raiz has evolved. It's grown into a sophisticated investment platform that offers a range of options to suit different goals and risk appetites. Today, we're diving deep into Raiz Classified. This isn't your average investment account. Raiz Classified is designed for investors who want more control, more customization, and access to a wider range of investment options. Think of it as graduating from micro-investing to a more advanced level of wealth building. Key features and benefits. Diversification. Raiz Classified provides access to a diverse range of assets, including ETFs, managed funds, and even direct shares. This allows you to build a portfolio that truly reflects your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. Customization. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all portfolios. With Raiz Classified, you have the power to build your own portfolio from the ground up. Choose the assets you want to invest in, allocate your funds accordingly, and adjust your portfolio as your needs and circumstances evolve. Control. Raiz Classified gives you the reins. You have complete control over your investments. You can monitor your portfolio performance in real time, make adjustments as needed, and even set up automatic investment plans to ensure you're consistently contributing to your goals. Accessibility. Raiz Classified is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. The platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to manage your investments even if you're not a seasoned investor. Transparency. Raiz Classified provides you with all the information you need to make informed investment decisions. You have access to detailed performance data, clear fee structures, and ongoing support from the Raiz team. Now, you might be wondering, isn't managing my own investments complicated? What if I make the wrong decisions? Raiz Classified offers a range of resources to help you make informed investment choices. You can access educational materials, utilize investment tools and calculators, and even consult with financial advisors. The platform is designed to empower you to make confident investment decisions, but it also provides support when you need it. Raiz Classified is ideal for a variety of investors, including those looking to expand their investment horizons. If you're ready to move beyond basic micro-investing and explore a wider range of investment options, Raiz Classified is the perfect next step. Investors who value control and customization. If you want to actively participate in building your investment portfolio and tailor it to your specific needs and goals, Raiz Classified offers the flexibility and control you desire. Savvy investors who seek greater transparency and access to diverse assets, Raiz Classified provides a comprehensive platform with a wide range of investment options and the tools to make informed decisions. Ready to take your investing to the next level? Explore Raiz Classified today. Visit the Raiz website, download the app, and discover how this powerful platform can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.